All right. My name is JosephKalb. I am on the Edu Rescue team. This is the demo for the first part of the project. So most of my work is more or less like database design for this first part. So it was, and just so instead of just being like, oh, here are some tables, I'm just going to go ahead and basically drop all the tables from the database and then remake them all. Uh, so just control all, and then this is just control enter. So you'll see that these will all gradually drop all the foreign key components, and then it will also drop the tables. So these ones will, at the end, yeah, so these all disappeared, right? Okay. And now we're going to go here, and this is basically the creation of all the tables. So we'll go here, then control enter, and this is the live database. So someone might be really pissed that I'm doing this right now, but so be it. Um, yeah, so here are the 16 tables. Now, they don't have anything in them yet. This was just creating the tables and all the foreign key connections. Yeah, and then finally, so these are all of the data that we are currently running. This is the previous data that people were adding when they were creating accounts. Um, but yeah, so now all these rooms and the I know this doesn't look like a lot, and I understand that, but I will say that all of this is very painstakingly annoying to gather this data, um, even though it isn't like much right now. And could I have made something that like automated this and did this for me? I mean, if I was doing like more than a couple buildings, then yes, obviously. But like the fact that I'm kind of manually putting some of the stuff in is the way that's running. So yeah, so these three documents are pretty much the main things that I was working on. I also was working on the basically the not flowchart, but the UML diagram too was something that I was heavily pretty much did that all on my own. Um, yeah, and so just to show that the app is running, so run dev. So load up the app. Load. Um, and then hopefully it'll load up the. Yep, here we go. Okay, so right now we kind of have the base thing going. We don't have anything like super fancy yet. But if I log in here, I should. Yep, cool. I didn't break it, so that means my other things worked. Uh, then let's go back here, and then if we want to register a new user, so let's first go back into data grip. I'll show the users uh, currently. So right now, just some like dummy like my info's in here, but like most of it's just kind of dummy test info. The keys or like the hashes that come out of it, um, of our like salting process, and then I do have some like teacher emails in here. Uh, yeah, but let us create a new ID or a new user. Sure, this will work. Let's go register here. And then so first name, hi, name you, uh, hi.u at csu.edu. Phone number, let's say, it's that one information, 411. Okay, cool. They got the info. Let's do, I think it's 10 characters and a special, so one special. Okay, and let's try sign up. Oop. Enter a 10-digit phone number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Okay. So that just made it. And then if I go back to data grip, I should have a new. There we go. Hi, you. Very cool. It's a student. Yeah. I think the capital lowercase thing maybe change, maybe not. Who knows? But yeah. So that is the program working. And then just to show like, So also I have like rooms are now populated. So here's almost every room in ECS and VEC. I was too tired to do EC EN2, um, but eventually either I will find a way that will automate. Like I can't automate the system completely though. Those the capacities I have to like physically go into every room and like look around for it or ballpark every time. So that kind of takes a while. Um, but yes, so that emergency plans. I think there's one right now. So just the power outage one. Um, yeah, classes. I literally just put in my own classes for my class schedule, and then you have the actual sections for those classes. So you can kind of see. But these are, yeah, they're more or less here. Stairs. This one's kind of annoying. So every building has separate staircases, and each staircase I've set a couple like little things, and I don't know if I like these values or not. I feel like they're not always so like I don't know. I was trying to use Google Maps to like map this out and try to get a good value. I thought I gave these ones bigger ones, but maybe I'll have to go back and check. But yeah, latitude and longitude, check for later. But yeah, that's really the majority of what I did. Um, yeah, as far as like coding goes, I mean, I've like helped out with some of these things, but I really like left it to the rest of the group to, um, as far as like the backend stuff, Megan did most of that. And then I would say Justin and I kind of were more troubleshooting in this first step. Um, but yeah, okay. Sorry for 7 minutes. Bye.